Hey everyone, Effie here. Today I'm going to show you how to layer our darling Dahlia's layering stencils. There are 3 stencils in this collection. You can see right on stencil 1, we have the name of the set on here, which stencil it is in the entire collection. Since this is the first stencil, it says 1 of 3. We also have our website etched right on here. It also says first layer, and on the lower right corner, we have lightest etched right on there with a large one. So let's get started with our blending. I'm going to tape this down with some of our washi tape onto some white cardstock. And then I'm going to use our Peach Blossom dye ink for the first layer. And I'm just going to blend the entire stencil with the Peach Blossom. I'm also going to blend off the corners of the stencil and onto the cardstock to create some registration marks, so that when you take the stencil off, you have a nice blended square, and that is where you place stencil number 2. And you can see there's some additional markings or etchings on stencil number 2, just like we had on stencil number 1. So for stencil 2, I'm using our Coralline hybrid ink to blend this entire stencil. Once stencil 3 is done, I'm going to take that stencil off and we're going to replace it with stencil number 3. And I'm going to go ahead and blend this layer using our Coral Cavern dye ink. And for today's ink blending, I'm just using our wide stencil brush. It's wide and flat, so it covers a larger surface area much faster, which is perfect for these 6x6 inch stencils. So here is the finished blended product, but I'm going to give you one more tip. I'm going to place stencil 3 right back inside my blended square, and then I'm just going to blend the center of the dahlias with our Spice Chai dye ink, which is a nice deep rusty dark orange bordering on brown. So now you can see that my dahlia has a little bit more depth and faux dimension. So we also have a coordinating die for this set, and you have a little rectangular tab. This tab is just to indicate the top portion of the die. So you can see you can just place it right over your blended panel easily because you know which direction to point that tab in. We also have some leaves for this set. It's called our Dahlia Leaves Stencil. It's sold separately, but we have it available. All right, that's all from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.